Hey, what's up guys? I'm here today. I just purchased me a generator for my stealth trailer, so you guys know that I'm building one. But thought I'd share it with you guys. It is a ryobi 5,500 watt generator. Has a digital hour display, hand truck design, and then there's four 120 volt plugs, 20 amp, and GFCI protected. 240 volt, 30 amp circuit. 6,875 starting watts. From what I can tell from the picture, you can't really see it there, but I think it also you can make that where it's a 120 volt 30 amp circuit, which is kind of what I'm looking for. But yeah, let's get started on this thing. Of course, the sun's really messing the shot up quite a bit. Let's see here. Alright. Now, you open the box up and got the instructions on top there. Let's see. Pull out the instructions. Of course, set that to the side. You know how we do it. Get the cardboard out. Sorry, I'm getting all over the place here. Take the cover off and voila! There it is. Get this box open a little bit here. Boy, this thing's sharp. And a little easier. Which comes with the, and here's the box with the, comes with a thing of oil and 2 tires. Ooh, good, they're not air tires, they're solid. So then you won't have to worry about going flat. Excellent. Yeah. Damn pretty when it's new, huh? Yeah, like I said, you can't see it there. But see there where it says 120 volt or 240? That's a good thing. It's got circuit breakers. And here's the you start, you run. And this handle here, actually, this is what they're talking about, their hand truck thingy. I guess that way you can do it like that. Not too bad. Thing's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. And it's a little larger than what I need for my trailer, but I figure for the money I paid for it, and that's another thing. This is a brand new generator. And you could look and see, you know, on the website for Home Depot and see what these go for. But I got it for half that. Brand spanking new. Off of Craigslist. And one good thing so far, it's got nuts and bolts for rubber bushings for the front, for feet, but the wheels are attached with these with clips, which makes it pretty easy. let's see here. Get through. Washer on there. Grab a clip. I'll do the same with the other side. Alright. I'm going to gather these bolts up. Wheel it backwards to get it off, or off the cardboard. There for a second. Alright, now we start with, or should I say we start putting the legs on. And I probably should have went with a shallow well, but that's what I grabbed. So, let's see, slide that up through there. And then there's a hole up in here. And this is obviously going to be the hardest part. Not really, but you know what I mean. Alright. Snug that up. Remember, it's rubber, so it'll squeeze before it tightens. Now we'll slip over here to the other side. And repeat. And now, simply take it off of the stand. One thing I do notice, it is very heavy to pick up. It's good to put your feet behind the wheels. But, I mean, it is a big generator too, so. The next thing we have to do is put the oil in it. Because it doesn't come with oil. Well, not in it anyways. And now we'll go ahead and fill the oil. Just make sure when you put the cap down, you don't put it down in any dirt, of course. Oil ready. And of course that's going to be difficult to open up. Sorry, it took me a minute there. Let's go ahead and start putting it all in. Just make sure you keep an eye that you don't overfill it. Fill it. I'm guessing it probably would take this whole quart. And let's see. Yeah, pretty much. Yep. Took the whole thing. Just take that, set that to the side. Oops. Now, go ahead and wipe this off. Stick it down in there. And it is about right there. So looks like we're looking good. Well, roughly right there. So there we go. We got the oil in there. Of course, I can never seem to get these caps on. So it's not their fault. It's my fault. I guess I'm just not coordinated enough. There we go. And that's that for the oil. Well guys, that'll just about do it for this video. Don't forget to like, really helps the channel out, subscribe, and leave a comment if you care to. I'm not going to run it right now because I don't want to put any gas in it, but you know, for those who are interested, figured I'd make the video. And well, till next time, thanks for watching guys.